Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best ductless air conditioners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many ductless air conditioners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each ductless air conditioners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a ductless air conditioner. First, look at the size of the room and the unit's cooling capacity measured in BTUs to ensure the right match for efficiency. Next, check the energy efficiency rating, as models with higher SEER ratings use less electricity and can lower your energy bills. Also, consider the installation process and whether you will need professional help for mounting and wiring. Noise level is another factor. Quieter units provide more comfort, especially for bedrooms or offices. Don't forget maintenance requirements like filter cleaning and warranty coverage for long-term reliability. Finally, evaluate smart features such as remote control or Wi-Fi connectivity for more convenience. With these factors in mind, you can choose a model that fits your comfort and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.